Campbell River has long been known as the salmon capital of the world. So we would be very remiss to have a museum in Campbell River and not include that as one of our permanent exhibits. Sports fishing has been part of this community's history since the late 1880s, when the lure of catching the giant Tyee spring salmon at the mouth of the Campbell River became known to a number of English sports fishermen. To gain membership in the club, you must catch a Tyee salmon using regulation gear in a specific season. And one of the larger features in the sports fishing exhibit is an example of one of Ned's boats. This particular boat was used by Les McDonald, a local fishing guide. Les rowed the Tyee pool for many years, rowing many club members in their way to membership. The other important aspect about sports fishing in the Campbell River area, of course, is Roderick Haig-Brown. Roderick was a well-known Canadian author, angler, and conservationist. His home is now a heritage site, and in our exhibits we were fortunate enough to display a few of his fishing gear and a little bit of information about him. So sports fishing and Campbell River, part of our history in the past and part of who we are today.